Good morning, everyone. Today we are here to learn some question which was previously asked in the board examinations. So here are some questions like what happens when phenol react with concentrate HNO3? First question is when phenol react with concentrate HNO3. It is nitric acid. So I think you all know what is phenol. Phenol is this. When we put OH group on the benzene ring, it is called phenol. So after reaction of phenol with concentrate HNO3, I think you all know it will produce an electrophile NO2 plus. It is an electrophile which will attach to the benzene ring at ortho and para position at all position. Or this position is ortho, this is meta and this is para. So after reaction of concentrate HNO3 with phenol, it will give what? O2N. This is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6 tri-nitrophenol. Its common name is also picric acid. It is yellow color compound, okay? It is yellow color compound. So we can understand when phenol reacted with concentrate HNO3, it will give out 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol, which is also known as picric acid. It is a yellow color compound, okay? Our second question is what will happen when ethyl chloride react with sodium ethoxide? When ethyl chloride react with sodium ethoxide NaOC2H5. Okay, so ethyl chloride is what? C2H5Cl. Okay, this is ethyl chloride. Now it will react with NaOC2H5. Okay, so what will happen? This Na and Cl after combining it will form NaCl. Okay, so C2H5 get connected with C2H5O, 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 and there will be removal of NaCl. This is something RO to R type structure. R is here alkyl group, which is ethyl here. Here also ethyl. This is ether compound. Okay, its name is di. There is one ethyl group. Here is also one ethyl group. So there are two ethyl groups. So we will call it di-ethyl ether. So we can understand what will happen when ethyl chloride react with sodium ethoxide. It will give diethyl ether and there will be removal of NaCl compound. Okay, so this is our second question. Okay, now we will understood what are the question which is asked in the previous years. Our second question is how we can convert phenol to toluene. Phenol to toluene. So phenol to toluene. So phenol structure, I think you all know. Phenol is this. After putting OH group on the benzene ring, it is called phenol. So first of all, we have to convert it into toluene. Toluene is this one. When we put CH3 group on benzene ring, it is called toluene. So what will we do? We will first convert phenol into benzene ring. Okay. So we can convert phenol into benzene ring just by reaction with zinc dust. So what will happen? Zinc will combine with oxygen, it will form zinc oxide, and there will be presence of hydrogen only. Zinc oxide will be removed. This is called benzene. Okay, this is called benzene. And the reaction of benzene with CS3Cl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. This is called Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. So what will happen? From here, there is a production of an electrophile called CS3 plus methyl cation. Okay. So what will happen? It will attach to the benzene ring at any position, because all positions are same. All positions are same. Okay. So this is toluene. Okay. Our second question is, how we can convert formaldehyde to ethanol? Formaldehyde to ethanol. So this is the conversion of phenol to toluene. First we have to convert phenol into benzene. Then after what we will do? There will be reaction of Friedel-Crafts. We will react benzene with CS3Cl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. From where it will produce an electrophile called methyl cation, which will attack to the benzene ring at any position. We can put CS3 here also, okay, because all the positions are same. So this is called toluene. Now our second question is, how we can convert formaldehyde to ethanol. Fourth question is, formaldehyde to ethanol. Formaldehyde is this one, SCHO. It is aldehyde compound, and ethanol is CS3. Yeah, you can write it CS3, CS2 and OH. This is ethanol. Okay. Formaldehyde we can also write like this one. It is a carbonyl compound, HCH2. Okay. So first of all, we have to convert formaldehyde into ethanol. So there is a very famous reaction. When carbonyl compound get reacted with Grignard reagent, it will produce different type of alcohol. Okay. So what will happen? We will react it with Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide in the presence of dry ether. Okay, so I think you all know, in this compound, this one is positively part area and this one is negatively part area. So this will act as a nucleophile. When this nucleophile will attack on this carbonyl carbon, here pi bond will break. Okay, so what will happen? This will become O negatively, and here CS3 will get attached. Okay, and this is positive part, this will attach over here. Okay. After acidic hydrolysis, H3O plus. Okay, what will happen? There will be bond breaking. Here we will put H and here we will put OH. So this will become CH. This will become OH and this is CS3. Okay, and there will be remover of Mg, OH and ER. This is magnesium hydroxide bromide, and this is ethyl alcohol, or we can also call it ethanol, because you can see CS3, CS2. There are two hydrogen atoms, so this is CS3, this is CS2 and OH. You can see this is the same compound. So we can write it like this one: CS3, CS2, this one, and this is OH. This is ethanol. So in this way, we can convert formaldehyde to ethanol. So this is the method. Okay. Now we will understand our next question. Now we will discuss our next question is next question is phenol to anisole. Phenol to phenol to anisole. Phenol, I think you all know, anisole is like this one. If you put OCH3 group on the benzene ring, it is known as anisole. Okay. So how we can convert phenol to anisole? So first we have to react phenol with NaOH. Okay. So there will be acid-base reaction because it is weaker acid and this is base. So there will be formation of sodium phenoxide ion. This is called sodium phenoxide, and there will be removal of water molecule. Then after we will react it with methyl iodide or methyl bromide. Okay. We can also react it with methyl bromide or methyl iodide. So what will happen? This will attack on this portion. Then after there will be removal of leaving group Br minus. Okay. So what will happen? There will be formation of O, CH3 will come here, and Na and Br. After removal of Br, it will combine with Na because it is positively charged and it will be negatively charged. So there will be removal of NaBr. So this is anisole or methoxybenzene, you can also call it. This is methoxybenzene or its common name is anisole. Okay. Our next conversion is propane 2-ol to 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Propane 2-ol to 2-methyl propane 2-ol. 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Okay. So we have to convert propane 2-ol to propane 2-methyl propane 2-ol. So what we can do? First we will write what is propane 2-ol. So propane 2-ol is this one. This is propane 2-ol. Okay. So we have to oxidize this compound, and we all know after oxidation of alcohol it will get converted into carbonyl compound. If it is 1 degree alcohol, it will get converted or it will oxidize into aldehyde, and if it is 2 degree alcohol, it will get converted into ketone. So there will be weak oxidizing agent like PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. So it will give out what? CH3, CO and CH3. Okay, this is ketone compound, and after reaction of this compound with methyl magnesium bromide, Grignard reagent. So what will happen? You are all know this part is positive and this part is negative. When this nucleophile will attack on this carbonyl carbon, this bond will break. Okay. So what will happen? We can also, so this will become like this one, C double CO. This CH3 I can write here, and this CH3 I can write here, and this carbonyl carbon will attach CH3. So that will be CH3, and this positively part will attach here, MgBr. Okay. After acidic hydrolysis, H3O plus, there will be bond breaking. So bond will break from here, H we will give here and OH will give here. Okay. So what will happen? It will become like this one, CH3, OH, and this one is CH3. And there will be removal of MgOH Br. This compound is same. 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl propane 2-ol. 2-methyl propane 2-ol. 1, 2, 2-methyl. This one is methyl. 3 carbon, so propane. Second position is OH, so ol. So 2-methyl propane to ol. So this is the way how we can convert our question from propane to ol to 2-methyl propane to ol. Okay. So this is all for the today. Thank you and have a good day.